Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable homeowners claim intake with Liberty Mutual, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable homeowners claim intake with Liberty Mutual, begin by visiting the official Liberty Mutual website. Once on the home page, locate the claims section, typically found in the top navigation menu. Click on the claims link to access the claims information page. Look for an option labeled File a Claim or Start a Claim. Select this option to initiate the claim process. You will be prompted to log in to your Liberty Mutual account. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions for creating a new one. Input your policy number and personal details as required for registration. After logging in, you will be taken to the claims submission form. Begin filling out the necessary information regarding your homeowner's claim. Make sure to provide accurate details about the incident, including the date, time, and nature of the damage or loss. Attach any supporting documents or images related to your claim, if applicable. Review all submitted information carefully before proceeding. Once satisfied, submit your claim by clicking on the designated button at the bottom of the form. You will receive a confirmation notification indicating that your claim has been successfully submitted. In addition, note the claim number for future reference. Throughout the process, maintain open communication with Liberty Mutual for updates. Monitor your email for notifications regarding the progress. Be prepared to provide any additional information if requested by the claims adjuster. Following these steps will help you enable homeowners claim intake with Liberty Mutual efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.